Let's sing, let's dance, come on, let's play. We'll learn our colors in a super fun way. Red is shiny like a bright shiny apple. Orange is sweet like the juicy fun chapel. Red, orange, yellow, oh so bright. Colors of the rainbow, what a beautiful sight. Green like the grass, we love to explore. Blue like the sky, come sing with us more. Yellow like sunshine, warm and so bright. Green like the leaves that sway in the light. Blue like the ocean, so deep and so wide. Purple like grapes that we're munching with pride. Red, orange, yellow, oh so bright. Colors of the rainbow, what a beautiful sight. Green like the grass, we love to explore. Blue like the sky, come sing with us more. Pink like the flowers that bloom all around. Join us in colorful, joyful sound. With colors so bright, let's shout, hooray! Learning with colors is fun every day. Yellow, oh so bright. Colors of the rainbow, what a beautiful sight. Green like the grass, we love to explore. Blue like the sky, come sing with us more. So remember our colors, they're all around. Friends of the rainbow, let's share the sound. From red to pink, let's sing out loud. With colors together, we're always so proud.